gymnastics. I learned the trick from Jean Osmond. But you have to really be watching your next pile because there are lots of combinations in here that some start with the A's and the O's and the U's, and you have many others that you have B's and I's and so forth. And so we'll say the first sound, the second sound.
Cur. Cur.
Good.
Ka. Ka. Hawk.
What's the vowel pattern in this word? And what's the syllable pattern?
CBC.
How do your syllable patterns?
Vowel team.
Is it open, close, silent E, vowel
Vowel
team,
team.
or R control?
Vowel team.
Vowel team. So you have the two vowels here. What's the vowel pattern?
Vowel team.
The vowel pattern is O-A. The syllable pattern is D. There you go.
Trick question.
Vowel pattern?
R control.
The vowel pattern, R, yep. And the syllable pattern is
R control.
Gosh, we don't have any with the short here.
So, can I ask a question about the R-controlled syllable pattern? Can that end a syllable, or does that always need to be followed by a, no?
No.
It can end,
Yeah,
that can
like
be at the
word
end of a
for,
syllable?
I have
Yeah.
something for you.
Okay.
Yeah, so that would be fine. Okay. Use your most common one. Good. What's the vowel pattern?
O-U.
What's the syllable pattern?
Vowel team.
Yeah. There you go. Say it again. Think about your first letter. What's it followed by?
And
Yep, and I'm gonna just get this in here. I like to keep them consistent with the spelling rules. How about this one?
sub,
Why does this have to say?
followed by an E.
Good. What's your vowel pattern? What's the syllable pattern?
Closed.
I'm going to cover this because I don't have a T here.
Sigh.
Good. What's the vowel pattern? What's the syllable pattern?
Open.
Thinking of this one, if you haven't directly made that connection, IGH is one that ends up getting classified as a vowel team. So when you teach this one, point out it's kind of an odd one.
Yeah.
IGH, and it is one that gets classified as a vowel team combination. Okay, this one here, using your most common. And what would be the other pronunciation? Uh-huh. What's your vowel pattern? What's the syllable pattern? Good. Good. Vowel pattern? What's the syllable pattern?
Closed.
Good. Vowel pattern? Syllable pattern?
Closed.
Good. What's your vowel pattern? And your syllable pattern?
Vowel
Good. Good. Vowel pattern? Syllable pattern?
Vowel team.
This one I have to cover up because if it's not at the end, it's usually followed by an N or an L. So it'd be
Caw.
good. Vowel pattern?
W.
Syllable pattern? Well, this is another one that we have to think. The only time W is actually considered consonant is the beginning of a word, kind of like the Y. It will be always classified as a vowel team combination because it will be with AWs or an OW or EW, and it's always a vowel team it's classified as. So it will be always, if you have a word that you're underlining vowel pattern, AW, if an AW is in a word, AW is the whole thing that gets underlined. That's vowel pattern. And then it fits syllable pattern for a vowel team. Actually, I can.
Are,
Vowel pattern,
they are,
syllable pattern,
are controlled.
Soon.
good. Vowel pattern,
VW,
and the vowel pattern.
Vowel
Mhm, good. Good, vowel team. And this one I have to cover. Good. Vowel pattern,
AY,
syllable pattern.
Vowel
Boy, you're getting good. See, I'm gonna- And we'll just, even though we know usually when followed by EI or Y, every time you see an EI or Y following this G, you'll do the soft sound for this exercise. Okay?
Going.
Good. Vowel pattern,
Y,
syllable pattern,
vowel team, gal,
and the other pronunciation could be,
go,
what pronunciation is most common for OW? Yeah, just think snow plow. Syllable pattern,
OW,
No.
the vowel pattern is OW, but the syllable pattern is
vowel team,
Careful. Yeah, because you have the I there.
Tricky.
You know that, in words, real words, usually, like more often than not,